What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we will be unboxing the all-day 6-pack Freewell pack. And this is an ND. It's going to be for the DJI Mini 3 or the Mini 3 Pro. And that's what I have, and that's why I got this right here. So we're going to do a little unboxing right now. Let's take a look at the front. Let's take a look at the side. Just a little jargon on the side of the box. Flip it to the back, there's some barcodes. And flip it to the bottom, kind of what it looks like on the bottom there. Go ahead and open this thing up. Okay, so we're just gonna take this little pencil that I found and gonna get this plastic off of the box. All right, so that is pretty much what you're left with there. And to open it up, let's try to find a good spot to open up this box here. It's going to be from this top portion here. Flip that up. Try to get it out of the box. There you go. There is a little manual inside the box, or a little pamphlet. It says Freewell on it. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay. Looks like you get some stickers, a QR code thing, a lens cloth, an installation guide, and a warranty code for your NDs. So we got a little bit more plastic that we have to take off. Let's get that off the package. So you get different varieties of NDs here. You get an ND4, ND8, ND16, ND32, ND64, and ND1000. So these are good because if you don't know what an ND is pretty much sunglasses for your camera lens. So when you have manual settings on your camera, let's say for your drone or for your camera that you would use like a DSLR or a mirrorless camera, and you're using manual settings, setting your aperture and your ISO and your shutter speed all to certain parameters, that's where NDs are going to come into play if you're working outside or in bright light, because that's going to stop down the amount of light that's coming into your image, into your sensor. That's pretty much what an ND is, and that's what we're working with this little package here. Comes in a nice case, has a little logo on the back of it. So the case is magnetic, which is nice. Okay, let's take one of these things out just so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is what the back looks like, and all you have to do is twist these on. So you can twist the lens that you have on currently off of your DJI Mini 3 or Mini 3 Pro, and then this one twists onto your DJI Mini 3 Pro. That's what it's gonna kind of look like for you. This is an ND16. If you like this video, or if you have any questions about these NDs, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be glad to answer those questions for you. That's gonna end today's video. Thanks for watching. It's been real. Keep it real. You know what it is. Deuces.